Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Adrian. Let's talk Got Backup. This is another video that I'm going to be creating talking about Got Backup, because if you're looking for this information, it's because you want to learn a little bit more about Got Backup and how it works. Well, I'm not here to give you a whole business rundown on how the business works. I do have videos already that explains that. So by the end of this video, you will see a link for the video that you can watch where it explains more in depth of what it is. But to keep it simple, it is an app, it is a service, it's an online service that gives you up to 6 terabytes of cloud storage. So you can have your phone's information as far as your pictures, your videos, your music, PDF files, whatever files that are important to you, you keep them stored somewhere safely in the cloud in case you lose your phone, you break your phone, or your phone gets stolen, or if you just simply want to exchange phones and you don't want to transfer all that information to a new phone. It's already all in the cloud storage. Also great for file sharing. You can share stuff from your phone to your computer to your phone, or you can share with others as well. You can share a picture or video to a family member, to a friend, to a business partner, or whatever it may be. So there's a lot of use that you can do Got Backup, but that's simply what it is. I'm not here to give you information rundown on how the business works. But this video, what I am making it about, is about what's holding you back. So if you already know what this company does and how this company works, you basically have to get started at some point. You got to take that leap of faith. So what's holding you back? It can't be the price, because at the price start, it is the cheapest business I've ever seen with great potential in great opportunity. It is only $30 to get started as a distributor. And why I say 30, because it's 20 for the distribution license basically, or agreement, and then $10 for the service, because you do need to have the service, because you can have to be a product of the product. The way you use it, the way you can be convinced that it's real. It's the only other way that you can prove to other people once you start selling it to them. So it is $30 to get started, right? Very low cost. Anybody has $30. So whatever is holding you back, it can be the cost of $30. Now it is $30 to get started. It's going to be $10 a month for the service, and then $20 every year for the distribution license, or for you to be a distributor of Got Backup. $30, $10 a month, and you have a great service of cloud storage, something that everybody should have and everybody needs. And there's already other companies out there like Google Drive, Dropbox, iCloud if you have an iPhone, so that the services already exist and people are using it. It's not something that brand new created and nobody's ever going to use this kind of stuff. There's people out there, especially like moms and dads, that like to have their kids' pictures and their family memories and stuff like that. It is a place that they can store all those memories without worrying about what if you lose your phone, what if you lose your device, what if something happens. They're always going to be there. But the thing is, what is holding you back? What is holding you back from getting started? You understand me? Are you worried that people might not want to listen to what you have to say? This is another thing that I have to say. It's using the system. Using the system is very simple, because there's already videos in place that gives all the explanation. So if you're a person that's never done sales, if you're a person that never done a business and doesn't know how to talk to people as far as like presenting something, you don't have to worry about that, because there's a system in place that does that for you. You just send the person the link and be like, hey, just listen to this video and tell me what you like best. Check it out and see what it is, so you can learn what's it about instead of me explaining it to you. Because you also want to keep it simple. So if the person sees that you're too much into, you're the one conversating, or maybe you don't know how to explain the things right, it might throw them off, or things like that. So you have already a system. There's already videos that explains. Now a video plays over and over and over again. Would you agree? You're watching this video right now on YouTube, and would you agree that every time somebody clicks on this video and press play, they're going to see the exact same information that's being recorded, the exact same information that's being displayed on this video. So the same thing with Got Backup. Got Backup already has websites with videos and information to provide that information for you. Your whole job is basically to get back with that person and tell that person to sign up, to get started. You understand? It is I don't know how simplicity confuses people. I think people just has misbelieved that this company is not real. Also, they come with a thought that, you know, they're going to be rich or something, when, you know, it's a business that can have the possibilities to make you a lot more money than you do at your job or your current job. But also, you can't come with the thought thinking that you're going to be rich within a month. You're going to be rich in 2 months or even a year. You understand me? Unless you put in that hard work to generate that income, it's the only way that's going to work. It's not about just signing up and not doing anything, because otherwise it's not going to work. You know, it's just like any business. You open a business, but you don't go out there and look for customers. You don't go out there and present your service to anybody. Nobody's going to know about it. Nobody's going to come look for you. Nobody's going to get it. But the same thing with this, you know, it's a business. It's something that people, business-minded people that are looking for a way to create a digital business can get started and actually create substantial income online. You know, it could be a side gig, just to make some extra money because you have some extra bills you got to pay, or whatever the reason may be. Everybody has a different reason. The same thing goes to your why. Why are you looking for this? Why are you doing this? GOTBACKUP is going to provide you with that great opportunity for you to be able to create a business online that all you have to do is send somebody a link through your phone, send somebody a link through any social media, and for people to just look up the information themselves. And once they see the information themselves, then they can make a decision themselves based on what the information they just saw. You know, same thing with you guys. If you guys are interested and you want to learn more about this business that I'm talking about, go to the description of this video and go to smartphonemoney.biz. These are just a website with videos that are already implemented to provide you the information. I don't have to keep repeating myself. I don't have to keep telling you every time what it is. It is recorded and it just repeats, and that's all you need to know is the information of what you're about to get involved. And this is the simplest business that I've seen at a very low cost. $30 to get started is $10 a month and $20 every year because of the distribution agreement for you to be able to become part of the GOTBACKUP family. All right, guys, this is Adrian Zumbado. I'll talk to you guys later.